Yes, the same cleaning process works for both extremely dirty and only mildly dirty showers, with adjustments to cleaner strength and scrubbing intensity as needed. Start by clearing the shower of all personal items and rinsing surfaces with warm water to loosen grime. Choose one cleaning agent that matches the worst-case soiling you expect. For example, a stronger tile cleaner with descaling properties for heavy soap, scum, or a mild biodegradable all-purpose cleaner for light maintenance. For heavy buildup, apply the cleaner and let it dwell for 10 to 20 minutes to soften mineral deposits and soap residue, while for light dirt, a 2 to 5 minute dwell time is usually enough. Use a scrub brush with medium stiff bristles on grout and textured surfaces and a soft sponge on smooth tile to prevent scratching. Work from top to bottom so loosened grime rinses down. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then squeegee or wipe dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent new mineral spots and to reduce future cleaning frequency. Finish by ventilating the bathroom to dissipate moisture and consider a weekly quick wipe down to keep the effort minimal. Common mistakes include using the same scrubbing intensity regardless of dirt level, which can waste effort or damage finishes, so match pressure to the soil. Light pressure for maintenance and firm, steady strokes for heavy deposits. Another issue is insufficient dwell time. People scrub immediately and fail to break down hardened deposits, so let the cleaner sit long enough based on product instructions or the degree of soiling. Finally, neglecting to dry surfaces creates rapid resoiling and mineral spotting, so always remove excess water with a squeegee or microfiber cloth after rinsing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like shower restoration and maintenance. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about cleaning processes and other home projects.